Number 22. The reader should aim always to begin with a topic that has good connotation with regard to the Jews, and conclude with a topic that has good connotation with regard to the Jews. Similarly, he should not conclude with regarding one who has committed an evil deeds. So basically, that's how they broke down the Aliyos, right? Even if we have in Torah, we know that there are like several passages where they have curses. So even if you have curses, the curses start with if you're going to listen to HaShem, all of the blessings, and if you're not, all of the curses. So it includes all of the curses. So it does not stop. Aliyah does not stop on all of the curses. So they finish curses, and after we finish with the curse, some positive things. So as according to this halacha, it's not allowed to end with the curses. It's always, even in a Novi, when you read Novi, so of course he rebukes people left and right, but at the end he has this good message that HaShem still loves us and he's going to save us. That's the thing. Okay.